In support, we noticed that some error messages constantly keep repeating. And that's why we collected the top 5 bug fixes for you today.
Hello dear Kunomailers and welcome to our new video. In this video we explain the top 5 bug fixes and we start with number 1. I have not received a license key. This is a message we get quite often in support, and we can tell you right away that Kunomail does not have a license key. All transactions are stored in the online shop and with a customer's email address as a unique indicator, i.e. the registration is all attached to the customer's email address. So change to your Kunomail and go under Help to the point Activate Kunomail. Here you can enter your email address with which you made your purchase. The activation ID and the name will be filled in automatically, and then you can start the activation. So let's move on to number 2. I can't send, receive, see emails. In your Kunomail, you go to Administration and Email Accounts, and then the email account administration opens. You need to create a new email account, and we always recommend to use the assistant, the Kunomail account assistant. Here you can enter your email address, select the account type. Here it is important that you do not confuse POP3 and IMAP. And now we have a result. For your email account, the server data is available. We can continue with the automatic configuration. And of course we do that. In the next step, the wizard closes and the server data is stored in your email account. The mail help account information opens in a new browser window. And here you will find the Kunomail settings for different email accounts. So if you have problems with the setup, you can also look at Mailhilfe because everything is described wonderfully here. These are the account settings that were issued to me. As I have already activated my account, I will now select it again. Here you can see that my password has been set again. Of course, you select the password that you also use with your provider. If you have currently changed your password, you must of course also change it here in Kunomail. This is very important, otherwise it will not work. Before you save the account settings, please click on the button Test, because your account can only be activated if the test was successful. So go to Test and then to Save. The next issue was I don't see my account, although it worked during testing. There should actually be a second account here, and for that I go back into the administration to email account, and here I already have my email accounts, and the first one is not displayed here. This may be due to the account an active tick. You must remove this tick, otherwise your account will not be displayed. If you uncheck it, your account will be displayed again. And here you can see that my second account is now visible again. Let's move on to 3. I don't have enough licenses. At www.kunomail.com you can get a license for Kunomail. You should make sure that you have bought as many licenses as you want to use Kunomail on different computers. You need at least one full license. Everything else can be the discounted additional license. You can find these in our online shop. Log in here with your access data to view your purchased licenses. To do this, go to your account. First, there is the order overview and then the license area. Here you can view and edit your licenses. You should delete or reset your activation if you have a new laptop or PC or if you have installed a new operating system. Please select the license activation you want to reset and confirm with delete activation. To reactivate the license, please go to the menu Help, activate Kunomail. Please enter the email address you used when purchasing the license. You can also change the name manually here and then you can activate Kunomail again. Let's go to point 4. My purchased shop products are not visible. Please check first whether you have already linked your online account with Kunomail. Under the point Administration, Settings, Online Account, your login data must be stored. Then your products automatically loaded into Kunomail. The purchases are assigned to your online account via the email address used. If you do not yet have an online account, the account was automatically created for you with the email address used for the purchase. If you do not yet have a password, you can create one here. If the purchases are not completely available, despite the linking of online account and Kunomail, please do the following. Please go to your Kunomail under Administration to the menu item Settings and then to the tab Online Account. Here please click on Delete Local Orders and then on Save Settings. Then restart Kunomail once. There is something else you can do. You can go to Help and then to Clean Up Troubleshoot Kunomail. You will come to the Kunomail for Windows Repair. Here is the point Delete shop products and update after Kunomail restart. You can select this point and then start the repair. Now please fetch emails manually via the button of the same name and wait a while. When you restart Kunomail, all your purchases should be available. For example, stationery, GIFs, surfaces or skins, or assistants. Let's move on to point number 5. My Kunomail is too slow. For slow or older computers, we recommend the following settings in Kunomail to optimize the speed. Please go to Administration, Settings, to the Basic Settings. Please check the box Shorten animations on slow computers. Under Administration, Settings, Email, please select a shorter period for hide emails older than. The emails are only hidden and are not deleted from the provider or the local email account at any time. Do you have any open questions? If something is unclear or you would like to send a report, you can go to Help, Send Bug Report. Here you can choose an existing category or select Other if the topic is not listed here. In the bug description, you can write your own text and please check the box Send existing log files. Then you can send us the bug report. You can also send us an email at contact@kunomail.com and describe your problem. Firewall, antivirus software or web blockers can block Kunomail in rare cases. You should check this in case of problems. And that's it with our top 5 bug fixes. We are glad that you have tuned in. Your Kunomail team.